And I will kind of flip through the questions here to see if I've missed anything anywhere. I think, so Sanjay did clarify we were at 1.8 million. I knew it was over a million. I didn't realize it was close to 2 for the San Francisco test bed that was executed. So with that, I think I officially have concluded the formal presentation. I would pause and watch the chat if there are any other questions. Don't see any trickling in. And so my final and closing responsibility is just to wrap us up for today. Today's session was giving you this kind of high-level survey of the capabilities at the SimCenter and the Wall of Wind, and having some of the colleagues who are part of these efforts take you on a journey through some of the critical elements of these facilities and these initiatives. What's happening next is that those of you who have appointments with the Wall of Wind team, you should have an appointment to discuss with them some specifics of your ideas and research, and those are going to be managed through those direct appointments. And for those who are interested in engaging with the SimCenter, as we remarked earlier, and as you'll see in your agenda, please drop an email to the address there in the agenda, which I will also paste in the chat, if you want to schedule a one-on-one. Because the SimCenter is such a diverse collection of tools and opportunities, we want to make sure that we align you with the right people, and that requires a little bit of scheduling and some understanding of what you want to talk about. So by sending an email to that address and describing a bit of what you want to chat about, we can get the right people lined up with you through a private meeting. And so thank you, and Sanjay just pasted that in to help me out here. So with that, I'll just give you reminders for tomorrow. Tomorrow we are beginning at 9 a.m. Pacific, and that is noon Eastern. And we'll begin with a presentation on test design and planning using the Wall of Wind that will hopefully answer many of those questions that came up today, looking at scale and looking at, the experimental facility and its capabilities for different experiments. Again, your private sessions will take place this afternoon through one-on-one meetings, but remember, tomorrow 9 a.m. Pacific, noon Eastern, we'll kick off again with test design and planning. And so with that, I formally close the first day of the workshop. I thank you. I see a comment from Maria, if we can drop the links into the 2 facilities. We will definitely do that as soon as I wrap. If you stay online, I will get that link in. But I just want to thank everyone for joining us in this virtual workshop, and we will see you all tomorrow to continue our time together.
Thank you very much, Tracy. Thank you, everyone.